There's no question in saying that Indians are everywhere. 28 million people live as NRIs and PIOs outside of India. Some of the countries include US, UK, Canada, and several Middle Eastern countries. But there are some diasporas you did not know that migrated out of India during the colonial time or even before. Therefore, we bring you Indian diaspora you didn't know exist before. The Caribbean. After slavery ended in US, there were plantations still left to be taken care of in the Caribbean islands. So, they brought a huge workforce from India under a new system called indentureship. It's been almost 2 centuries and now they are a mixture of Caribbean and Indian culture. There are almost 2.5 million people of the Indian diaspora in the Caribbean islands. Trinidad and Tobago, Suriname, Guyana are a few nations with the highest amount of Indian diaspora. Indian diaspora in Africa. Indian diaspora in Africa began as sea traders from the southeastern African corridors like Tanzania. Most of them were Gujaratis who started their trade with African countries and settled there. The next line of Indian diaspora began through colonialism by the Britishers, and many of them worked on the Kenya-Uganda railway. Today, Indian communities in Africa constitute 13% of the total strength of the Indian diaspora, residing in 46 countries of African continent and prospering every day. South Africa, Mauritius, Reunion Island are some of the places with the highest amount of Indian diaspora in Africa. Indian diaspora in Fiji. Indians were initially brought to Fiji as indentured laborers to work on sugarcane plantations. Between 1879 to 1916, a total 60,000 Indians were brought to Fiji. And from 1900 onwards, there were Indians who arrived as free immigrants. But most of them migrated to countries like US or Australia till 2000 due to the racial discrimination that happened. According to a census, there are as many as 3,500 people with Indian origin living in Fiji. Thank you so much for listening. Subscribe to our channel, go through and download our app on Android. Thank you so much.